use a plastic trim tool. Go ahead and pull this piece straight up. Just gonna work your way around. That'll lift up. As you can see, there's just some clips. And this part is very difficult, but you grab it from the top middle and you pull it forward. You have to give it a really good pull. For me, I just pulled it very hard and it came free like that. Next, grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 screws from the corner of the radio. Let's go ahead and remove the climate as well. 4 Phillips screws. You can slide this out of there. Here on the radio, just push down on the tab, slide these out. And here on the bottom, same concept. So this antenna will just unplug. And there you have it. And here's your part number information.